So this video is just in a response to a question that I got from Shadowblade here asking about where I get wine recipes. So I'm going to tell you what doesn't work. You remember the watermelon wine that didn't turn out at all? And right now, it tastes absolutely terrible. Well, it's just a recipe that I got online. I've also tried other recipes online and I haven't had any success with any of the stuff on YouTube, sad to say. There's a free resource. Jack Keller has a bunch of fantastic wine recipes that are free. I'll leave a link in the description. It's a free PDF. Doesn't cost you a penny. Doesn't give me anything. You just get this recipe book for free. Or alternatively, if you do want a recipe book for winemaking, Jack Keller has a fantastic wine making book that you can get on Amazon. I'll leave a link to that as well in the description below. But I would urge you to use a recipe when you're starting out, because the stuff that I've used, the plum apple wine or the plum wine, is a recipe that I did find online, and I just made a small adaptation to it, or just kind of tweaked off of something that somebody else had used that had a lot of reviews. So if you're using a Google search for, if you're looking for a specific type of wine, that's a great way to go. Sad to say, there's probably a lot of guys like me that are trying to make wines and they're out on YouTube and claiming to know more than they do, or they're acting like their wines taste great when in fact they probably are terrible. I will do my very best to stay totally honest. If I make a crap wine, I will tell you it tastes terrible. I'm not going to lie to you. The wines on this channel that I have made, I have told you what the honest taste profile or what the flavor is, and I'm, according to my taste buds anyway, I'm no sommelier by any means, but I don't want to lead you guys down a path that's just not giving you guys some good end product. Hopefully that answered your question, Shadowblade. If you do have any other questions related to winemaking, feel free to leave it in the comments down below. I know there hasn't been a whole lot of videos coming up on this channel in the last little while, and that's because my wine cellar is still full and I have no batches on the go. I still do have plans to actually use the resources I'm telling you about in the link down below to make I'm going to try a nectarine wine, just nectarine, based on Jack Keller's recipe. He's also got a recipe for tomato wine, and I do still have about 10 or so liters of tomatoes that I need to use up for something, because the new growth season is here and new stuff is going to be coming in. So that's going to be coming up in some point down the line or down the road in this channel. Look forward to seeing you guys again.